Hi guys, welcome back to Caesar Experiments. Today we're in the Subaru and we have a little problem up here with the sunglass holder that we're going to fix today. The problem was it stopped staying in there and it would fall back down, so I was driving around for a couple months like this. So we took this apart and investigated and found that this little clip here that holds the piece, there was a little bearing in there that came out of its track. And with some research on a Subaru forum, we found that you can find that part, small little part that looks like these, online for under $2 a piece. So we ordered 3 just to have extras. So we're gonna take this apart and I'm gonna walk you through how to change this. And this is a 2014 Subaru Outback. So the first thing you need to do is remove the screws up here in the sunglass holder. And next you have to pull this whole piece down. Now this whole piece alone through Subaru would cost about $100 or more. So it's definitely worth it to take this apart. It just requires basically a Phillips screwdriver and maybe a flathead screwdriver and the replacement pieces. And you just pull back here and just with a little pressure it'll pop out. And then you pull it toward the back of the car because it catches in here. So the next step, here's the back side of the piece that's being replaced. So I'm going to apply pressure from the front side. And for right now, I don't have a flathead with me, but I have a pen cap. And I'm going to just stick it right in between here to push this little clip in. And I'm going to kind of rock it to the side. Look at the one side now. And then also slip it in the opposite side. And now I can just push it through the front side here. And here it is. Looks like this. This little part right here should be popping in and out. And I'll show you one of the replacement pieces. Here they are side by side. So this piece would normally come in and grasp around the sunglass holder piece. They both say PR-3 on them. And in here, when you depress it, you can see that there's like a little bearing that rolls around in there in a track. So we'll go ahead and put this in. I'm not sure if it goes a certain way or not. I guess we'll find out. So I will go ahead and I think I could put this back first. And I just gotta make sure it fits in those pieces, both sides there. And then up here. Okay, it looks like it's in. And I'll go ahead and put the screws in so I don't forget. And we'll put the link to the online store where we bought these pieces from in the description. So I'm going to put it in with the side saying PR3 aiming towards the back of the car. We'll try that and hopefully that'll just work. And that's snapped in. And let's give it a try and hopefully it'll work here. And that's back to like brand new again. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments. If you'd like to see more Caesar Experiments, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.